Good day, everyone. I am Mary Giselle Joy D. Siliwag from BSCE 4C. Today, I will going to discuss my research proposal. This video presentation will highlight the brief introduction of the research, title of research, background of the study, conceptual framework, research methodology, and statistical data analysis.
In my municipality, the municipality of Talavera, keep on growing in terms of investor. Many new business was built in downtown that causes traffic congestion in town. So to solve this problem, the municipality built a bypass road. It starts from La Torre to Califalhan with 5.8 km road with 2 lanes. This will be the solution on traffic congestion. Then the Talavera bypass was constructed in the year of 2015. So it was finished in the year of 2018. The researcher thought that the building a new road can affect the quality of life in the community because by definition, bypass was built up area to let through traffic flow without interface from local traffic and reducing the congestion on the town, and also to improve road safety, diverting all trucks to travel on the bypass road, not to use the main highway to the town. To support my research topic, some study shows that the bypass has the potential to affect the rate of growth of the local economy, distribution of economic activities between downtown areas, and influence the new development areas along the route, and to affect quality of life, according to Thompson, Miller, and Roenker 2001. While, according to Srinivasan and Kokelman 2000, rerouting of a considerable fraction of through traffic might hamper industrial sectors that are highway dependent. Thus, the net impact of the construction of a relief route on their local economy is not very obvious. In this study, entitled Effects of Talavera Bypass on Residents' Quality of Life Residing Along the Highway Road, aim to know and fill the gap of between the effects of bypass pertaining to the quality of life in its community. In conceptual framework, we have here the respondents' quality of life profile. We have traffic congestion in downtown area, profit of small business before and after the construction of bypass, and last, environment in the community, which is these three is the independent variable that can affects the dependent variable, which is the effect of bypass to the quality of life of small businesses along the highway road of Talavera. The concept behind this figure was to help researchers in developing research objective, questions, and methodologies, analyzing and interpreting the research findings. Statement of the problem. This study aims to investigate the effects of Talavera bypass on the residents' quality of life residing along the highway road. Specifically, it aims to answer the following questions. 1. How may the traffic congestion in downtown area be described before and after construction of the bypass? 2. How may the profit of the small business be described according to pre-construction of bypass, after construction of bypass? 3. What is the environmental effect of bypass to the community before and after construction of the bypass? And research question number 4, is there a significant effect of the bypass to the quality of life of the small businesses along the highway road? Hypothesis. The null hypothesis of the study is there is no significant effect of Talavera bypass to the quality of life of small businesses along the highway road of Talavera. And for the alternative hypothesis, there is a significant effect of Talavera bypass to the quality of life of small businesses along the highway road of Talavera. Significance of the study. Local communities. The result of the study will benefit the local community since it will serve as their data on what and how to deal in the changes of having a bypass in their community. They may use the result as their knowledge on how to best adapt to the presence of the bypass. This result may also use as basis on creating an effective and efficient as well as accurate plan for living and dealing for having a bypass road. Engineering. The study will serve as a basis with the same field of location that there are such to consider when constructing a bypass. They may use the result as a basis to develop guidelines on how future bypass can be designed and designated that will benefit both affected communities and the user of the bypass. Future researchers. The result of the study can serve as the basis on reference for making opportune and product-oriented research study which also focus on the same topic discussed in the study. It also serves as an information that may help them for uncovering critical areas in construction process. Scope and limitation. The study focuses on the effect of Talavera Bypass Road on local communities along the highway road from Barangay La Torre to Barangay Kalipahan. Small businesses in Barangay of Talavera, specifically La Torre, Poblacion South, Esguera, and Kalipahan, will be participating in conducting this study. The researcher chose small businesses who is a resident to those places and the reason of they are in the place and it influenced their income, meaning the effect of bypass on the quality of life are visible, credible, and reliable. For the limitation of the study, some of the small businesses along the highway road of Talavera from Barangay La Torre to Barangay Kalipahan are being closed or there are set of numbers of customers or travelers are allowed because of the safety protocols of COVID-19, which may vary the quality of life of small businesses. Chapter 2. Methods and Procedure. Research Design. The researcher will use quantitative method in order to meet the purpose of the study. Quantitative methods emphasize objective measurements and the statistical, mathematical, or numerical analysis of data collected through polls, questionnaires, and surveys or by manipulating pre-existing statistical data using computation techniques. Locale of the study. The study will be conducted at all chosen stores residing in Talavera, Nueva Ecija Highway Road from Barangay La Torre to Kalipahan. The researcher will take the survey from the respondent's store or any comfortable place the respondents choose. The study will be conducted in the second sem of this academic year 2021-2020. The sample and sampling techniques. The researcher will use purposive sampling, which will choose the store residing along the highway of Talavera from La Torre to Kalipahan, which there before the year of construction of the bypass, year 2015, and still open in the present. For research instrument. The purpose of this study is to identify the effects of Talavera bypass on residents' quality of life in terms of how does the traffic congestion in downtown area describe, how does the bypass affect the profit in small business before and after the construction of bypass, and effect of bypass in environment on the community that is residing along the highway road, which are necessary data for the study. The survey is guided response type of survey that will distribute by giving of the questionnaire personally one by one on their store. The researcher chose this type of instrument because it is the most appropriate to obtain the data needed in the study. Data gathering. This is the process of the study. After formulating the purpose of the study, the researcher will start making a conceptual framework regarding on the variables. The researcher will create a questionnaire and conduct it through actual or traditional way of surveying. Data will be gathered after the respondent answered all the questions in the questionnaire. After the data was collected, the researcher will start tallying, interpreting, and analyzing the data. Then afterward, the researcher arrange and finalize the study results and make recommendations and conclusion to sum up the results.
Statistical analysis of the data. The researcher will use the Likert scale, which is suitable to use for the first 3 research questions. The researcher will set the level of significance to 0.05 and will use the total population, taking 0.05 or 5% as the margin of error for the study. The researcher will also use per t-test for 4th research question, and t-test each subject or entity is measured twice and often to have 2 variables are separated by time and can be used when the interest in the difference between 2 variables are the same subject.